What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you yet another beginner affiliate marketing strategy that you can use to make over $150 per day just by doing this for a couple of minutes. And once you set this up, this method is going to be working for you on complete autopilot, and all you have to do then is just dedicate a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes every day, to maintain it, so it's going to keep printing you money. Now this is going to work worldwide, doesn't require any investment at all, and it really doesn't matter if you have no skills or no experience with affiliate marketing, because if you're going to watch this video from beginning to the end, you will know the exact step-by-step process how to set this up so you can go out there, do this yourself, and make some money with it too. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can keep up to date with the latest money-making content, and also make sure to comment down below this video if you are going to take action on this method or if you are just going to watch this method for the entertainment. And also, guys, don't forget to check out my one-on-one coaching program that's live right now. So just go to the first link in the video description if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using myself to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without any of my social media, and without this YouTube channel. And now just let's start with today's method. Now pretty much you can use this method for any affiliate marketing out there. You can use it for warriorplus.com if you're going to be doing this for the money making niche, is the best way to get affiliate offers from, or you can also do this for affiliate marketplaces like JVZoo, for example, or Digistore24, or even ClickBank.com. Actually, I'm going to be using ClickBank.com in today's video to show you how to do this method, how it actually works, so you can go out there and do it with any affiliate marketplace that you may want to use. But I'm going to be using ClickBank because it's one of the easiest platforms to navigate even for complete beginners, and so to make this as clear as possible, I'm going to be showing it on ClickBank. If you're new to ClickBank, pretty much what you want to do is just sign up for your free account right here, then just log right into it, then just head over straight to the affiliate marketplace where you can pick out from all of these different niches that you may want to promote. But what I highly recommend doing is going for something that has high converting products. Now some of the most high converting products you can always find in health and fitness section, and pretty much what you want to do is go there and pick out the diet and weight loss, because trying to lose weight is one of the most popular niches out there. Pretty much that's why we are going for this niche as well in today's video, because it's very easy to promote it to the most amount of traffic. Now to get the most converting affiliate offer, what you want to do is go to this sort by results, and you want to sort them by gravity, high to low. Just click on that and you will see the highest converting products right here at the top, and it's this 21-day smoothie diet with gravity of 210. Now in today's video I'm not going to be doing that one because I already showed you another method how to promote this exact affiliate offer very effectively. So I'm going to pick something different, for example this custom keto diet, which is one of the best selling products ever on ClickBank because it's been there for such a long time, and you can also find it on Digistore24 if I'm not mistaken. So pretty much what you want to do is go for this offer if you are a complete beginner, if you're going to be following this exactly step by step. And what you want to do is just simply click on promote right here, and you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname to get your affiliate link. Just fill in your ClickBank nickname and click on create a hop link, and what you need to do now is just make sure you will save this link somewhere where you can access it later. You can keep ClickBank open, but what I like to do is just copy it and paste it into this neat little notepad. So I'm just going to paste it in there, and I'm going to also paste it into this neat little notepad. I'm going to also name it something so I know which product is this for, so it's custom keto diet, just like that. Once you do that, just head over to Google and you want to search for this website that's called Canva. Hit search on that and go to canva.com, and what you want to do here is into this search bar you want to type in there mobile video. Make sure you're going to go for this option right here that says mobile video, and the resolution is going to be 1080 by 1920 pixels. Just hit search on that and pretty much make sure to scroll all the way down here and select one of these templates that you want to go for. Now you can also go ahead and start your own from scratch, but in today's video I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to create simple themed videos that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link, and it's going to be working like magic. What you want to do is go for this exact template that's right here, and it's this one with the burger, the best burger, red and green modern burger template. One of the reasons why this template is such powerful is because if you're going to open it up, you can see it has these 3 sections right here. So it's like basically 3 short videos, each of them couple of seconds long, that you can customize however you want, and in the end it's going to look like a legitimate high quality YouTube short or TikTok video or Instagram reel. So pretty much just make sure to select this template if you're going to do this method. You can also use different templates, but I have tried tried this one myself and it has worked very well, so I'm going to use this one. So if you're going to go for this one as well, click on customize this template and it's going to open it up in this editor. Now pretty much what you want to do now to customize it, you need to grab something that has to do with affiliate offer. Because we are using this custom keto diet, what I'm going to do is go to Google and I'm going to search for best keto diet recipes. What I'm going to do is scroll through some of these websites and pick one that has a good quality of keto recipes with the images that you can use on your Canva template. So pretty much let's try, for example, this one right here. And once you find a website that has a bunch of these keto recipes, what you want to do is make sure that this has pretty nice images of this food. One of the important part is this website has to have an image of the food when it's going to be cooked and also a title with the name of the food. Pretty much once you find a website that has a bunch of these, for example, this is supposed to be like 44 of these, that's another important step. You need to create a bunch of these, okay? But once you're going to grasp this process, it's not going to take long to do this. And because you have this list of, for example, in my case, 44 keto-friendly dinner recipes, you can create them literally in no time. So pretty much what you want to do once you find such a website is go back to Canva and you can start customizing this template. First of all, I'm going to change this title into keto recipes. Then I'm going to go down to this text and I'm going to change it into new recipe daily ! And I'm also going to go ahead and get rid of this website. We are not going to be using it. Once you do that, you can go to this second panel and you need to customize this a little bit more. For example, get rid of these images right away. We are not going to be using it. You can keep these elements in. They can come in quite handy. Then also get rid of this website at the bottom. And in this text bar, what you want to do is actually write the name of the recipe that you're going to go with for the first video. So pretty much for the first one, I'm going with this Mississippi roast. So I'm just going to copy that, go back to Canva and change this text into recipe 1, and in this bottom text I'm going to write the name of the meal. So I'm just going to paste it in there and also make sure that you're going to resize it accordingly, just like that, so it's not sticking over the edges. And then what you want to do is go back to the website, right click on the image, copy it, hop back to Canva and paste it into your canvas. Then paste it into your canvas and customize it a little bit. For example, stretch it out, send it backwards so these elements are going to be showing over it. If you're going to put them there, just like this. So the second panel is going to look something like this. Then I'm going to go to this third panel right here, and what I'm going to do is simply put a call to action right here that is going to direct the attention of the audience that's going to be seeing this video to the description or bio. So pretty much all you need to do is just get rid of these elements right here. We are not going to be needing it, and I'm going to change this text into want a full recipe? Check the link in the description. Then pretty much I'm going to go to the elements and I'm going to look for arrow click, and I'm going to add some of these arrows that are moving into the video. So it's going to have something that's moving in there and it's going to keep the attention of whoever is watching it a little bit better. So I'm just going to resize it and position it something like this. And if you're going to play this entire video, it will look something like this. Best keto recipes, new recipe daily, and it has this recipe 1 Mississippi roast for the day 1, and then the call to action directing people to the description. Pretty much what you want to do once you finish this one is just save it to your computer as a MP4, click on download and get it as a MP4. And once you download this first video, what you want to do is not close Canva yet, because you can go ahead and right away make a couple of these at the same time. You have already prepared the template for this. All you need to do is just go to the second panel and change the recipe to, for example, recipe number 2, just like that. Go back to the website. You need to select another recipe that you want to go with. And for example, let's go with this chicken rolls. So I'm just going to copy the name of these chicken rolls, just like that, paste them into the text here, then just delete this image right here, go to the website, copy the image that you are going to be using next, paste it onto your canvas and make sure to adjust it a little bit and also send it backwards to make the elements a little bit more visible, just like this. And pretty much you have created another video. All you need to do is then just click on share and download it again as an MP4, obviously. And once you download this second video, pretty much you want to do it for the rest of these receipts right here, or do as many of these videos as you possibly want. The more you do at the one go, the better. But if you want to go with just a couple for starters, that's completely okay. Just go to Canva, go to the second panel, change the name of the recipe, change the image of the recipe, and pretty much you're done. Once you create a bunch of these images, what you want to do is go to this website right here that you probably know already, because if you are watching this video, there's pretty good chance you are on this platform already, so you will have literally zero trouble navigating it. What you want to do once you create a bunch of these videos is go to this tab section, click on create and click on upload a video. Then just select select one of the videos that you have created and then just go ahead and fill in a bunch of these fields. For example, for the title, you can go with something like best keto receipts day 1, and also make sure you are going to include hashtag shorts in the title. This way YouTube will know that this video is supposed to be a YouTube short. Then for the description, what you want to do is go ahead and write a small call to action that will describe what you are offering, and I have prepared this neat little script that I'm going to use for the description of the video. Now you should be seeing it on your screen right now, so just go ahead and pause this video at this very moment and go ahead and copy this entire script, and I'm giving you the green light to go ahead and use this exact script yourself. And once you rewrite it, what you want to do at the end where it says start your weight loss journey today, you want to paste your affiliate link. Now pretty much if you're going to take a look at it, it looks like a soup of letters and numbers, and this is not something that I would want in my YouTube description, so I'm just going to copy it and go to bit.ly.com and I'm going to shorten it. So I'm just going to click on create a new link and paste it in there, and pretty much I'm going to write this custom bag half is going to look something like custom keto diet, AC custom keto diet. So pretty much I'm going to click on create, and this shortened form of this link is going to get created and stored right here on bit.ly. Then just go ahead and copy it, go back to YouTube and paste it at the end of this description. Now pretty much because I'm using just a dummy YouTube channel to upload this video to show you how this is working, it's not going to allow me to post clickable link because I need to complete a verification first. But once you complete a verification on YouTube, for example, if I were to post this on my main YouTube channel that you're watching right now, there won't be this problem, but I like using different YouTube channels for different niches. So if you're going to do this, just make sure to create dedicated YouTube channel just for this method, and that way you can also track your results better because you will see how much traffic you're getting from these YouTube shorts. Once you post it there, just go ahead and make sure that you're going to select no, this is not made for kids. That way the algorithm will push this to more people, and that's exactly what we are looking for. And pretty much if you're going to click on show more, you need to also input some hashtags. Now you can just write a bunch of hashtags on your own, but one of the most effective and easiest ways to do that is just go to rapidtags.io, just search that on Google and go to this website, and this is actually the tool that I'm using to create hashtags for all my platforms, and it's working very well. So click on use tool for free, and you want to generate hashtags for custom keto diet receipts, for example in this case, but if you're going to use different niche, you can just look for hashtags in that niche. Just go ahead and copy this and go back to YouTube and paste it into this hashtags field. Then just make sure to fill in all these remaining fields and click on next, and make sure you're going to make this video public. Then just upload it, and if you're going to check it out, it's going to be shown as a legitimate YouTube shorts. Then if you're going to check it out, it's going to be posted as a YouTube short, and if you're going to do this for a couple of days, these shorts will start getting traction, they will start getting traffic, and because people will want to see what this recipe is about, they will go to the video description, click on the link, they will be taken to the sales page that's going to be doing all the selling for you, and pretty much all you need to do is just get the most amount of relevant traffic interested in keto diet to this sales page, and that way every time somebody's going to make a purchase, because they came through your affiliate link, you will get paid. Now as I said, you can do this for any niche out there. Pretty much if you're going to do this for, let's say, e-business, e-marketing, you just want to create a short that's describing, for example, some top 10 marketing tips. Each day you're going to post a new marketing tip, and also make sure to put the affiliate link in the description. And if you're going to do this for any other niche, for example self-help, if you're going to do it for self-help, I highly recommend that you go for the dating niche. Pretty much all you need to do is just create shorts that's going to be giving some advice on dating or free dating tips, or you can go with something as cheesy as pickup line. And that's it for today, guys. This is how you can start making money with affiliate marketing and YouTube shorts. So if you enjoyed this method, just make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already. And now if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.